Hello, and welcome back to episode 4 of our Behind the Scenes series, where we share a little bit about Team Trella, what we do, how we work, and where we go. In this episode, you'll get a chance to sit in on one of our design sessions with our hardware design team, and we'll also show a little sneak peek footage of Team Trella at a couple of industry events right here on Cape Cod. But first, check out this clip of Dre and I as we get prepped to showcase our solution for indoor growers. Yes, I need to get the cat model looking good with the latest updates for this presentation on Monday at the Cape Cod Orleans and Cape Cod Cannabis within Orleans. So I need to see what it looks like, and I don't want
to waste Jeff's time.
Yeah.
I can do it. Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, I like it. You know what it's missing though? That front mesh panel that goes on the front of the carriage will need to attach to something. So we need to have like a mesh panel.
Oh yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah. Part of my other concern is I said we need to like put perforated holes in this top.
Yeah, we talked about that.
It looked like in your videos, Dre, that the slot was pretty good.
Yeah, I have it right here. Yeah, it's to your dimensions and it works out pretty well. So one thing that I did do is I added a chamfer.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah, around the ridge.
Yeah.
I did this on my CNC, and I have, so yeah, that's a good point.
So would it be easier? Could we chamfer the
We can just break the edges.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like just deburr them, Is that your own CNC mill?
Yeah.
Really?
I'll show you a pic. I'll take a picture of it afterwards, and I'll send it to you.
Yeah, that's awesome. What is it?
It's a Fadal 2216
Nice.
with a tool changer and everything.
Yeah, that looks like a serious machine.
Oh yeah, I mean there was videos, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw the videos, yeah.
Yeah.